So I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past 2 years online full time right now. And I've come to kind of understand what works and what doesn't. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I earn money online anywhere between $100 and $500 in a day. I'll show you some of my payments on the screen right now using completely free traffic without investing into ads. And what's really great about this, because you can then use revenue from this free traffic to invest into paid ads to eventually scale your business to a full-blown affiliate marketing business. And you want to watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my biggest bonus yet on this channel that is literally going to secure commissions with this through this free traffic method that I'm going to teach you in today's video. And secondly, you don't need to have any money to do this. You can be anywhere in the world. This is worldwide. You can be on the islands in Thailand using this strategy, or you can be wherever in the world, and this will work for you. And if you want to make your first sale online and start generating money over and over again on a daily basis, I suggest that you watch this video thoroughly until the end, because I've platformed this video out in an easy step-by-step process that anybody can follow. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the channel Millionaire Mindset Make Money Online, and on this channel I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on making money online on a daily basis, releasing the latest ways to make money online. So if you want to get the latest content on how to do that and get exclusive insight in what I'm doing, I suggest subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. And also, I'm having giveaways now and then on my channel, which I will announce in the next video or so make sure to keep up to date for that. But without further ado, I'm very excited to share the strategy with you guys, and let's get straight into step number 1. And like I said in the intro of the video, guys, I'm really wanting to teach you guys how to make money online with the strategy. And as I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to give you an amazing bonus that will really help you with this. But what exactly am I talking about? And the first platform that I'm actually talking about is YouTube. And this doesn't mean that you need to be creating any videos or that you need to be in front of a camera or producing your own content. In fact, this doesn't have to do anything with producing your own videos at all. But before I go and show you what exactly I'm going to be doing on YouTube right here, there's one thing that we need to go and do. We need to go and find an offer. So firstly, I'm going to give you 3 platforms that you can use to go find any affiliate offer to get big commissions from. So you'll see here, ClickBank is probably one of my favorite affiliate marketplaces that you can use. It is a affiliate marketplace where people list their products. You can become an affiliate for that and get a commission every time you sell that particular digital product or software through your affiliate link. You can also use Warrior Plus, which is a great alternative to ClickBank, as I think ClickBank is not worldwide. Warrior Plus is, so this is also an amazing alternative. Same thing with JVZoo. You can sign up on this affiliate marketplace for free. I'm actually going to show you the 2 main products that I've been promoting to earn this kind of money online. So I'm actually going to give these products to you and reveal my exact blueprint to you. But these are just 3 of the platforms that you can use. And the first product that I actually want to show you guys that I found on Warrior Plus that I became an affiliate for is called ytsupremacy.com/YTS. So this is a tool that you can use to build an authority on YouTube channels that outrank your competition for promoting affiliate offers. So this is a tool that is really going to help you build an entire affiliate business around YouTube. So this is a 100% newbie friendly tool. It's going to show you the exact method these people use to earn thousands of dollars per month using affiliate marketing on YouTube. You can learn how to rank videos in YouTube and Google to get more free traffic. You don't need to show your face on camera. You don't need hosting on a website or an email list. And just as a quick disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate for this website or promoting them in this particular video. Here, in this case of this video, you can just go to ytsupremacy.com. And just to keep going, no paid ads. You don't need hosting or websites. And it's really great because a lot of people might be shy and you don't need to be on camera for this. So as you can tell, the niche that I have chosen in this particular video is YouTube growth, YouTube authority in your specific niche. So what you need to do is to go and get your affiliate link for a product like this. I'm actually going to show you another product now called Video Marketing Blaster, which is a tool that costs like $13 or I think it's $27, sorry, and you can basically rank any keyword for any keyword on Google and YouTube by entering that keyword into the tool, and it will rank your video for you. And just to show you, YT Supremacy as well is only, if I click on Get Instant Access now, let me just wait for this to load, is only currently at $14.95, which is not, it's a very low price, it's a once-off price, so it is one of those tools that sell really quickly because it's not very expensive. But obviously, you need to go and sign up on Warrior Plus. I'm going to take you through the second step now, which is getting your affiliate link. So log in with your account, and once you've landed on your dashboard of Warrior Plus, it's going to look like this. What you need to do is come over to affiliates, click on offers over here, and you will see a ton of different affiliate offers that you can become an affiliate for. So what we can do is, for the title keyword, we can put in something like YouTube. So let's just quickly go search. I'm going to quickly go through this. I don't want to waste your time. You can see here, for example, here is actual YT supremacy. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on request this product, or the affiliate link for this product. So this is just quickly opening in a new tab. And over here, you can see this page is now loaded. All you're going to do is click on, let's go product, and you want to click on request approval over here. All you're going to do is you're going to select Warrior Plus or your PayPal account, request notes. You can suggest that I'm a full-time affiliate marketer that runs Facebook ads, really keen to give your product a try. You kind of just want to put in something like positive like that to get them to accept you. Click on request offer. Once you've got your affiliate link, you're ready to go and promote that. Secondly, with ClickBank, you can go sign up on ClickBank completely for free. Here's your video marketing blaster tool. All you're going to do is come over to the affiliate marketplace over here on marketplace. You want to click on promote and search video marketing blast in the search bar, generate hot links. Here is your affiliate link to this product. So I'm just going to quickly open this up product in a new tab to run you through it, as you do need to know how these products work before you just go out there and promote them. So this page is just quickly loading. Here you can see on video marketing blaster, 3 clicks is all you need to rank on Google and YouTube. So all you do is you put in a keyword, for example, how to sew a jersey, New York. You put that into this tool, and then it will generate a done for you title, tag, and description that you copy and paste onto your YouTube video, and from there it will rank for the keyword how to sew a jersey in New York, for example. And you can see this tool is only costing $27 once off. Again, not an affiliate for this product. This is a tool that if you want to produce content yourself, but what we're going to do is, with the strategy, we're actually going to use these tools to go and make money online. And I just want to quickly show you, for this sale, you're going to get an average of $27.89 per sale that you make through this affiliate link, but you can actually make a lot more than that. I quickly went to the Video Marketing Blast affiliates page. I came down to the bottom. You can see here they actually have 4 sales upsells in their funnels. For example, you're getting already $27 on the first sale. You can get more and more commissions on these different upsells because the funnel of this product is already made, done for you. It is literally here for you. You just need to go and put this into action, like I'm going to go teach you now, and you will see your first commissions online. So you don't need to go and build a website, any hosting like that. This is all here for you, which I really like. So now that we've got our 2 affiliate products, we've got the Video Marketing Blast, and I'm really pumped to show you these 3 traffic methods I'm going to show you, and the bonus that I'm going to show you. So for example, let's in this case use the Video Marketing Blaster product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to again just quickly get my affiliate link, generate hot links. I'm going to copy this quickly. I just want to come over to a website called bit.ly to shorten my URL just to make it look a bit neater. You can see this is a very long, ugly looking URL. Just click on shorten. Here you can see is now your nice, neat and shortened affiliate link. You can also track the amount of clicks it gets. So the first platform that I actually want to show you is called Twitter. But I quickly want to show you something very powerful. What you want to do is on the search bar of Twitter, you can go, for example, how to grow a YouTube channel, and you can actually go and find targeted people that are looking for tools to grow their YouTube channel. So it's not like you just spam promoting this to a wild unknown audience. These are people that is actually looking for a product that you're going to help them with. And don't worry, just keep watching, because that bonus I'm going to show you is literally going to get you sales with this non-stop. So you can see here, for example, to all Twitch streamers out there, start a YouTube channel, don't make excuses. You can see how to grow a YouTube channel. This guy's obviously asking that, so you can respond to him. You can click on his tweet, you can comment over here, and you can tweet your reply. That's the first method. Don't worry, I'm going to show you my exact bonus now. Make sure to keep watching. I just want to quickly also show you Facebook groups is a great way to do this. So you can come over to groups, type in YouTube or how to grow YouTube, and you can actually target people in these groups that is looking to grow their channels, and you can go and help them out. So for example, this one group with 1.8 million members, now 1.9 million members, you can see, for example, people are just asking to help each other out. You can see people are promoting their videos. People are asking to sub for sub. These are all people, and you can actually go and promote this product too, but I'm going to show you the bonus at the end after I show you these 3 platforms. So you can see people are just providing value. And the thing is, the bonus that I'm going to give you in a bit is literally because you're kind of giving value to them as well, which kind of forces them in a way to give value back to you. But just I'm going to show you that right now. And then thirdly, the last one before I get to the bonus is reddit.com. So you can also go, for example, on Reddit, how to grow a YouTube channel on the search bar of Reddit, you can see here you will find a whole bunch of posts, how I got 1K subscribers in 3 months, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to grow a YouTube channel. So there's constant conversations and forums and Reddits on Reddit talking about how to grow a YouTube channel. This is all a money-making goldmine that we can go and utilize, that I don't think a lot of people are using right now to go and use this. So you'll see once you've got your affiliate link, I've got this bonus for you guys. This is the bonus I've got for you guys, and I actually got this from Smart Money Tactics, who is another fantastic Make Money Online YouTube channel. Big shout out to that channel for this particular script that I'm going to give you. So for Twitter, I've got this message over here. Just saw your message on Twitter as I'm looking to start and grow a YouTube channel myself. How long have you been on YouTube? Are you enjoying it? I'm still relatively new and looking to learn, and I've been looking at different ways to grow before I even start, and I came across the software. Here you put your affiliate link that says it can help us grow on YouTube. What are your thoughts on it? Have you tried anything similar? Would love to hear your thoughts. So you're not cold promoting, you're literally asking people, what do you think of this tool? Which kind of forces them to go and look at it, because obviously now they want to reply to you. So this is a really smart way of marketing. It's not cold marketing. You talking as a genuine person, asking for value and asking for help, which kind of gets a conversation going. And if he's interested in the tool, he can then purchase it, because obviously a lot of people maybe don't know about it. They see the landing page with the sales video, maybe gets them to buy it. So that's what's really powerful about that. The second one, Facebook. Hey, I absolutely love your channel. I just subscribed. I'm looking at starting or growing my own channel, and I'm always researching how to get the best results and why I joined this group. Do you have any tips? To share? I would love to hear them. And you can also, for example, use this one over here. You can include your link. Second message, that's awesome. Thank you for sharing. Actually, I would love to get your opinion on something that on YouTube. What do you think of this I found? And you can have your affiliate link. It says it can help us grow our channel. Is it worth looking into? So again, Facebook, really, really valuable, and a organic comment that isn't really just spamming. You're talking, you're starting a conversation, and you're talking to the people on Twitter, or in this case, this particular Facebook. And then Reddit, what an amazing achievement. I just subscribed to your channel. Must feel amazing hitting all these milestones. I'm looking at potentially starting a channel, and I've been researching the way to get more views and subscribers. Do you have any suggestions for me? Second message, if they respond, wow, some great tips here, thank you. I came across the software, your link here, that can potentially help us get more subs and views, and all the reviews look legit. What do you think? So again, you're starting a conversation, you're asking a question. You can literally go and copy these messages, use it on Twitter, you can go and use it on Facebook groups as well, and you can go and use it on Reddit as well, and use the script to go and generate sales. You do this once a day. I mean, if you think about it, if I go look at $27.89, you get focus, you do this, and you're focused on just getting one sale a day. Let's go $27, or round it off to $28 times 30. That's an extra $840 a month, which is a lot of money just trying this part-time and working each day to get one sale a month. 2 sales a month, so let's go 28 times 2. That's $56. 56 times 30, that's an extra $1,680 a month, which is a lot. It's nearly a full-time income for most people. So that is definitely something I suggest you should focus on all these platforms at just getting one sale a day. And the thing is, you can do this in any niche with any affiliate product. So the big point I'm getting to is try and set a goal or an objective. One sale a day, extra $27 a day, and focus on short-term objectives, which can then get you to a much longer long-term goal. But that's going to be my video for today, guys. I really hope you guys got a lot of value from this. Don't forget to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate it. And comment down below something positive, a positive quote. It really hypes me up to produce more amazing content like this for you guys. And also subscribe down below if you're new. And also you're welcome to follow me on Instagram. I'll answer some questions there. I'll try and chat to you guys on Instagram DMs if you have any questions, and from there you can help you out if you have a problem with anything. But what I'll do is on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to my best affiliate marketing playlist with just over 100 videos. It is literally a free affiliate marketing course with over 100 videos. On different strategies like this that you can go and use to make money online, build affiliate marketing businesses like this, like I've got here, and eventually you can scale from this to paid ads, and then you can start seeing maybe $100, $200 a day and grow your business more and more. And that's why I like to say, always set goals for yourself. But you're welcome to go and check that playlist on the screen. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.